welcome to Jet Art Aviation. It's a glorious spring day. The Tornado is just about to be taken out of RAF service after a very long and distinguished service career, and we've got a very exciting aviation adventure which we're going to take you guys along on. We're going to film it and we're going to show you what we get up to on a regular basis. Sat behind me is our Tornado F3 aircraft. This is one of the only surviving examples of a RAF F3 ADV variant. That's the air defence variant. We found a very good home for it in the National Aviation Museum of Estonia. There's a nice little Cold War jets collection being built up out there, and most importantly, the aeroplane's going to go inside. So what we're going to do is shoot some video. We've got to dismantle the aeroplane. We've got to load it onto a lorry. The brief is to get the aeroplane to Estonia in the most economically and cheapest way possible. That involves trying to get the whole aeroplane on one lorry for its very long road journey. The aeroplane is going with extras as well, like drop tanks and pylons, so getting all that on one load is going to be quite interesting. We're going to film it being taken apart. We're going to fly out to Estonia, and we're going to meet the aeroplane over there and then rebuild it and install it into its new home. So we'll take you guys along with us for the journey, and I hope you like this little aviation adventure. Okay, that's the end of day 2, and we've managed to fulfill the brief, which was to get the entire aeroplane and the drop tanks and all the extras on one load. So don't know about you guys, but as far as aeroplanes go, that's the most extreme load I've ever seen. Very happy with that. Good day's work. What's going to happen now is the aeroplane's going to roll out of here. It's going to go down to Tilbury docks down near London. Then we're going to get a ferry across the North Sea. It's going to take around 5 days to get to Estonia. We're going to hope it's not too rough, but we've taken every precaution and put extra straps on to make sure the load's extra secure. Going to fly out to Estonia, meet the aeroplane out there and give the museum a hand putting it back together again.